Welcome to Life in the Matrix, and this is Angeles City Flying Club. It's not near Angeles City, but it's in the middle of Magalang, actually, in Pampanga. And I'm visiting a good collection of ultralight and light aircraft, LSAs, light sport aircraft, as they're called, and also hobby flyers with model aircraft remote control. It's a grass strip, as you can see, and there's the windsock back there. And that is the clubhouse of the Angeles City Flying Club, or ACFC as it is called over here. Good collection of airplanes out here. And I've come to see this one, the Lake 250 Renegade. A friend of mine is flying this. And I'm visiting, I have a meeting. So nice to see a Lake 250 Renegade all the way in the Philippines. And my friend who's flying this is very, very happy with it. Try to get it off of his hands, he says no sale, no deal. Some more airplanes in the hangar, and there's also a helicopter. And there's a three-wheeler tuk-tuk, which they use for club use. And all agricultural land around here. It's so nice to see. That's a smooth landing of an ultralight. Teresa, what do you think of this place? What? You like it? You like airplanes?
Yes.
Yeah?
Soon I want to be flight attendant or a pilot.
Oh, flight attendant or a pilot. Okay, choose which one you want to be.
Flight attendant.
Flight attendant, okay, not bad. You can be whatever you want to be, Nerissa. It's called the Woodland Air Park. Live your dream. All right, sure.
Yeah, but hang around, get a coffee, drink.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Take the lake for a fly if you want.
Yeah, okay. And the flying club comes equipped with a pool.
Model mo, baby.
Model.
Model ako.
You're on video. Say something nice. So nice environs around here. A shower area, dressing, people flying model airplanes. I think there's going to be a steerman that's going to be flying next, and I'll end the video here at this point in time and pick up maybe another time. Oh, beautiful landing. Doing the standard engine run up before the flight. Here goes the steerman. Wheels off the ground. Take off. Life in the Matrix. Thank you for joining me. This is my channel. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please check out my earlier videos. I always bring something new every single time, and today from the Flying Club. A unique experience here in the Philippines. Not too many of them here. Want to say bye?
Bye! Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. What about sharing?
Oh, sharing.
Sharing as
Please
well.
like and subscribe and share.
Share the channel. You sit up here in the restaurant and a pool table and billiards, and you can watch the airplanes take off and land from this beautiful grass strip over here. And I leave you with this final shot. Thank you for joining. As the lady said, please like, share, subscribe, and see you on the other side. Have a nice day or night, wherever you are. Ciao for now.